Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started on this week's project, our flowers are here. We are so excited. We have gotten so much fantastic feedback from you guys. You love them apparently as much as we do, so that just makes my heart sing. I want to make sure you get your free ebook with over a dozen projects using our MissPlanIt flowers. Don't miss out on it. Head on down to the description and get your free ebook. Well, this week we have requests from a community member, and her name is Susanna, and she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt, hi Susanna. My fiance and I recently got engaged. We are really excited and cannot wait. We don't have a date yet because, well, you know, with everything going on. But we will be getting married as soon as we know where he's going to be stationed. I've picked out my flowers, and my colors rather, and they are mint green as well as navy blue. My brother is going to be walking me down the aisle, and he will be in his uniform. He's in the Army because my father passed away recently. I would really love it if you could help me figure out how to make this bouquet. Thank you so much, Susanna." So, well, Susanna, we are so excited to not only make this bouquet, but to show you how simple it is and how you can do it for under $40. Yes, so guys, we're going to make this cascading mint and navy bridal bouquet for under 40 bucks. All right, let's get started. Well, our first step is to create our bouquet base, and we're going to do that with a straight handle bouquet holder, as well as an 8-inch bouquet collar and this 6-inch styrofoam ball. Now, sometimes you can find a half ball, but there are times where it's just more economic to buy a ball and cut it in half with our foam cutters. Super simple. Now that we have it cut in half, we're going to go ahead and trace a circle about the same diameter as the end of our bouquet holder, and that gives us a pattern in which we can cut out. So using our foam cutter as well as a trusty spoon, we're going to cut and scoop out the center section until our handle point can fit into the styrofoam nice and snug. Next, we're going to attach our handle with hot glue as well as our satin 8-inch bouquet collar. So here is where the cascading comes in. You typically get your roses and they come on long stems. So for me, because I use them for so many different projects, I tend to just keep everything and I cut and change out stem lengths all the time. For this project, you're going to need stem lengths anywhere from 12 inches to 2 inches. So do not throw them away. But if you don't have spare stems, go ahead and use your floral wire. It will work just the same way. Add a touch of hot glue. I don't use hot glue because I change them out for different projects to show you guys, but feel free to use hot glue if you know it's going to be a permanent fixture. Finally, we're going to add some embellishments with these pearl white beaded sprays. So They come in a length that's already right at about 8 inches long. So I'm going to show you how you just bend the wire and twist it to make it the length you would like. I'm using lengths anywhere from 12 inches to 2 inches. Well, Susanna, what do you think? It's absolutely stunning. I love the mixture of the mint and the navy. I would have never thought to mix those two colors. Awesome selection. I do want you to know that I did not use the mint roses because I could not find any that were going to be available in time for us to produce this video for production. But I have put a link for mint roses in the description below. So you can go tulips or you can go roses, whatever your vision is. But I wanted to make sure I said that. So there is a link for green roses. I just couldn't get them in time for production. So I used what I could. In this time, we have to just improvise, and I used the tulips. I actually love the free flowingness of the tulips. So there's just another option. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And you can also follow us on our social media. And that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? At this time, we are all still online shopping for the most part, so you can get paid for shopping. It's so simple. Go down to the description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign onto your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com. We have fantastic DIY planning guides that are digital downloads, so you don't have to wait for them to show up in your mail. You just simply purchase the DIY planner that you need. You'll get the access code. You can download it, print it out, put it in your binder, and you're ready to plan. So check them out. People are loving them. You guys are using them, and we so appreciate it. Our time goes by so fast. I just want to mention to head on over to our website for even more DIY options. We have both the written and picture instructions for all of our projects on our website, MissPlanIt.com. You don't want to miss out on that. We also have free digital downloads on there in our resource library. So I just want to make sure you guys are aware of it, as well as the blog posts that we write every week, just helping you find more cost savings. So we just want to mention that. In addition to that, if you need us to help you with a project, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click right there in the corner and get you there faster. And you can sign up by clicking on our project request tab and following the very simple steps. Please be sure to do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. And I absolutely hate telling anyone no. I want to thank you guys for taking this time to hang out with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube. I want to thank those of you who have subscribed and are watching for the first time and thinking about subscribing. Go ahead and click it. I promise you we are here to help you. Also, don't forget to leave your comments or your questions in the comment section. I do look at them. It's been really different lately, so I haven't been able to get to them as soon as I would have liked, but don't fear, I will be answering your questions and giving you any information that you need from me that I can help you with. Well, guys, it was such a pleasure hanging out with you, and I so appreciate you spending time with us once again. And with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.